And in our season of darkness, we all have that opportunity to sow seeds that we have. What kind of seeds? Seeds of trust, seeds of obedience, seeds of faith. Because that night time, that dark time in our life, that challenging time in our life is the best time wherein the greatest harvest may come out. The ones that are hard to produce, the ones that are rarely produced, diyan lalabas sa darkest seasons natin if we know how to sow seeds during our darkness. Huwag natin unahin maggupit ng bangs at magwalling. Magplant tayo ng seed of trust and faith. Huwag natin unahin ang pagtatampo at paglalayas. Unahin natin ang pag-sow ng trust, ng obedience, ng faith. So that something, a desperate shift will happen during our darkest times.